Welcome to this lesson on software as a service, commonly known as SaaS. This is part of our Cloud Fundamentals series, where you'll learn how cloud technology delivers software applications over the internet. SaaS has revolutionized the way businesses and individuals access and use software, making it more convenient and cost-effective than ever before. Software as a service, or SaaS, is cloud-based software that is delivered over the internet. Unlike traditional software that needs to be installed on your computer, SaaS eliminates the need for local installation or maintenance. You simply access it through your web browser. The software runs on a subscription model, meaning you pay a recurring fee to use it. The best part is that all the technical work, updates, and maintenance are handled by the vendor, not by you. Let's understand how SaaS actually works. It's a simple three-step process. First, a user accesses the application through their web browser. Then, the request travels through an internet connection. Finally, it reaches the cloud-hosted application where all the processing happens. The application and data are stored on powerful servers maintained by the service provider, not on your local device. This means you can access your software and data from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. SaaS has 4 key characteristics that make it unique. First, it's multi-tenant, which means a single instance of the software serves multiple customers simultaneously. Second, it provides automatic updates, where the provider manages all patches and upgrades without any effort from your side. Third, it's accessible anywhere, available on any device with an internet connection. And fourth, it's highly scalable, making it easy to add or remove users as your business needs change. SaaS offers numerous benefits that make it attractive for businesses of all sizes. It provides lower costs by eliminating the need for infrastructure investment. You get quick deployment, as the software is ready to use almost instantly. Maintenance is easy because the provider handles all updates and technical issues. Scaling is fast and flexible, allowing you to grow with your business needs. Security is enhanced through professional-grade protection managed by experts. And finally, you get global access, enabling your team to work from anywhere in the world. The SaaS delivery model operates in 3 main layers. In the first layer, the provider hosts the application, managing all servers, storage, and infrastructure on your behalf. In the second layer, users subscribe to the service, paying either through a pay-as-you-go model or through fixed subscription plans. In the third and final layer, users access the software via the internet, connecting through a web browser or mobile application. This streamlined model removes the complexity of traditional software deployment. You're probably already using SaaS applications without even realizing it. Common examples include email and collaboration tools like Gmail, Microsoft 365, and Slack. Customer relationship management, or CRM, platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho are also SaaS products. Project management tools such as Asana, Trello, and Monday.com fall into this category. And cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive are all examples of software as a service in action. Let's compare SaaS with traditional software to understand the difference. SaaS is cloud-hosted, while traditional software is locally installed on your computer. SaaS uses a subscription-based pricing model, whereas traditional software typically requires a one-time purchase. SaaS provides automatic updates without any manual intervention, but traditional software requires manual updates. You can access SaaS from anywhere with an internet connection, while traditional software is device-specific. Finally, SaaS has a low upfront cost, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes, while traditional software often requires a high upfront investment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.